Think about the last time someone insulted you, or perhaps when someone treated you unfairly. Feel that heat rising in your chest, the sudden urge to shout back, to defend your honor, to prove them wrong. In that split second, you feel like a warrior fighting for respect. But in reality, you are becoming a prisoner. You are handing over the keys to your internal kingdom to someone who doesn't even care about you. Today, we explore the most misunderstood power in the world, the art of non-reaction. It is not about being a doormat. It is about being a mountain. Centuries ago, a Zen master was walking through a village. A young man, filled with bitterness and jealousy, decided to humiliate him. He followed the master, shouting insults, calling him a fraud, and spitting on the ground near his feet. The master kept walking. He didn't speed up. He didn't slow down. He didn't even turn his head. His face remained as calm as a mirror-like lake. By sunset, the young man was exhausted. His throat was sore, and his spirit was broken by the master's silence. He ran in front of the master and blocked his path. "Why?" he demanded. "I've spent the whole day attacking you. Why don't you fight back? Why don't you say something?" The master looked at him with eyes full of compassion and asked a simple question. "Tell me, young man, why if you buy a gift for someone and that person refuses to accept it, who does the gift belong to?" The young man was confused. "It belongs to me, I suppose. I bought it." The master smiled. "Exactly. And that is why I refuse to accept your anger. It still belongs to you. You are the only one who has to carry its weight." Why do we find this so hard? Because our ego is loud. The ego believes that silence is a loss. It believes that if we don't win the argument, we have been defeated. But Zen teaches us a different truth. Control is not about dominating others. It is about dominating yourself. When you react to an insult, you are being trained like an animal. If someone can make you angry with just a few words, they are your master. They pull the string and you dance. Is that the life you want? To be a puppet of other people's moods? So how do we practice this in a world that is constantly trying to provoke us? 1. Observe the fire. When someone attacks you, don't look at them. Look inward. Notice the anger rising like a flame. Just watch it, don't fight it, don't judge it. Just say, there is anger. 2. The 10-second bridge. Between the stimulus and the response, there is a space. In that space lies your freedom. Take 3 deep breaths. Let the gift sit in the air. Do not reach out and take it. 3. Understand the source. Happy people don't go around insulting others. A person who attacks you is carrying a heavy burden of pain inside. They aren't attacking you. They are screaming for help in the only way they know how. When you see this, you don't feel anger. You feel pity. To be Zen doesn't mean you stop feeling. It means you stop being a slave to your feelings. Be the mountain. The clouds come and go, the storms hit its peaks. The sun burns its rocks, but the mountain remains. It doesn't ask the storm to stop. It simply knows its own depth. Empty your mind. Let go of the need to be right, and watch how the world loses its power to hurt you. Thank you for walking this path with us at Veda Zen. If this message resonated with your soul, perhaps it's time to share it with someone who is struggling with their own gift of anger. Stay silent, stay strong, stay Zen.